Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious egg Yippee noodles. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1 packet of Yippee noodles, 1 fresh egg, and about 2 cups of water. If you like, prepare some extra vegetables, perhaps a 1/4 cup of chopped carrots or peas, to enhance the flavor. Make sure you have a medium-sized saucepan ready for the cooking process. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. Now, let's get cooking. Pour about 2 cups of water into your saucepan and bring it to a vigorous, rolling boil. Once the water is bubbling nicely, carefully add the Yippee noodle cake. Let it cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. As the noodles begin to soften, use a fork or spoon to gently stir and separate the strands. This helps them cook evenly and prevents sticking together, ensuring a perfect texture. With the noodles partially cooked, it's time for the star ingredient, the egg. Carefully crack 1 fresh egg directly into the pan with the noodles. Gently stir the egg into the mixture, allowing it to cook and integrate beautifully for about 1 minute. Next, tear open the Yippee Taste Maker sachet and sprinkle its contents over the noodles. Feel free to add any extra spices you enjoy for a personalized touch. Almost there, continue cooking your noodles for another 1 to 2 minutes. You want the egg to be fully set and the noodles perfectly tender. Make sure most of the water has been absorbed, leaving a lovely, saucy consistency. Finally, carefully transfer your delicious, freshly cooked egg Yippee noodles into a serving bowl. Enjoy them hot as a quick and satisfying meal. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.